Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create best profile picture for your Instagram using Canva. So in here, I've already on my Canva, and what you need to do is just create an untitled design, a blank design with Instagram post size, a square size. And after that, you can just add your photos like this. Then after you add the photo, you can add two elements and find frames in here. And here you can use the circle one. So just drag the photo into the frame like this. Now you can just resize it like so. So this is basically how you do it. Or you can also remove the background. So I'm going to duplicate this and I'm going to detach the image from the frame first, and you can just use the background remover on Canva. So after you remove the background, you can just drag it like this, and now the photo will be on the frame, but it doesn't have any background. You can do it like this, or you can also add a background from let's add another elements in here. For example, I'm going to use a circle gradient like this. You can click on enter, find the elements that you wanted for the circle gradient. So for example, I'm going to use this one. You can adjust the size first like this, for example. Then you can copy the photo. You can just click on copy and then go to here and click on paste. Here you can adjust the size of the photo to match with the circle, and just like this your photo will be here on the background. So you can see this, you can just choose between these three, which one that you like the best for your Instagram profile picture. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the times. Bye.